You guys ready for another unboxing? Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jennifer Moore, helping you discover your love of sewing. A friend of mine named Maxie from MaxieMakes.com, she sent me a little gift in the mail. And I must preface this by saying she emailed me and said, Jennifer, this is a gift for you to enjoy. You don't have to make a video on it. But you know what, Maxie? I'm going to do it anyways because I think there's some awesomeness in this box. So let's get this baby open. Comes in this super cute box with adorable logo. Very, very beautiful and elegant. All right, let's see what's in. Ooh, here we go. Got some stuff and some tissue paper. I think I see some candy in here. Maxie, what are you doing to me here? I don't know. All right, so it's got, oh, this is cute. Okay. All right, and by the way, I realize in previous videos, I really overuse the words cute and okay, so I'm trying not to do it, but it's hard. Oh, we've got some candy in here. Oh, all right, you know what? Towards the end of this video, I'm definitely going to be busting out the candy. So, got some little peppermints, some cream-colored thread. I think this is cream. It's Gutermann. This is made in Greece, okay? If you've seen my Quilter's Candy Box unboxing, I also got a very cool tape measure in there. But you know what? I feel like you can never have too many tape measures because I always need them and they're always like lost or whatever. So, this is great and it's actually super cute. Okay, all right, I said cute again. Okay. All right, let's see what's in here. And one thing to note, and I've mentioned this in previous videos, is that all of Maxie's boxes, they're kind of a sewing lesson in a box, and she has free video tutorials that come with each kit. So she gives you instructions on where to go, and then you can actually watch her entire tutorial on how to make her project. Ah, I just ripped the paper. Ooh. Okay, this month's project is a pretty simple quilt. Okay, so it's called the Dabbling Swan Quilt, and then it also comes with a tea towel that you can make into a pillow if you want. Very cool, and it is from her daughter Bonnie Christine's fabric line. Okay, I'm going to get the name of the fabric line for you. I believe it's like Ollie something, I don't know. Okay, anyways, this is a pretty simple quilt pattern. It's basically just a very large center, huge block, and then it's got a border. So it's almost like a whole cloth quilt, but with the border on it. And then there's a couple methods you can use to finish it. You can either bind it, do a traditional binding, or she has instructions on how to do like a no binding quilt and then just tie it. So either way, they're both pretty easy. And oh, this fabric is so adorable. Okay, so this is the tea towel. And this is the fabric. How cute is that? I love. Okay, who doesn't love swans? If you don't love swans, you do not have a heart because swans are awesome. It's got this really cool like cream and black like kind of dotted fabric. That is so adorable. This is really, really neat fabric. I may go a little rogue and maybe make a slightly different project. We'll have to see, but I really am loving the fabric. And I know I'm on this whole no fabric challenge in 2018 thing. But I'm going to make a little bit of an exception for this because it came in the mail before January 1st, so I think that counts. Look at that little lace on the edge. That is so cute. Okay, so this is what it also comes with. You don't have to make the pillow, but there are instructions in here if you would like to make this tea towel into a very quick pillow. So that's what's in the latest Maxie mailbox. I'm going to link all the information below if you'd like to check it out for yourself. I think they're pretty cool if you don't mind me saying. And if you enjoy everything sewing and you want to check out the live show I do every Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys next time. And I'm going to eat some candy too.